Well, tube, family and friends, I'm out of power. I don't know if you can see my head or not. I'm out of power with this 1970 Pontiac Firebird floors. I'm on the center part now, but I'm tired now. I'm ready to go. Ready to go. Ready to finish up. I'm tired now. So what I did was, yeah. So cut this, put this in the center. It's been a long time since this thing been welded up, but I'm putting this in the center now. Had to peel that back. This part here, I'm gonna have to freaking guess where it is so I can weld to it, you know. I shouldn't have no problem guessing though. You can see the what do you call that? Spot weld there, spot weld there. This one over here. So I can guess that it's right across there. Anyway, I just wanted to say, you know, hey, I'm tired now. I'm tired. Happy Father's Day. Thank you, honey. Appreciate it. I really do. Let me hang out on a Sunday, fooling around my car. Yes, I love my family. I do. But yeah, that's going to weld pretty good. But I'm tired now. I'm tired. All right. Talk to y'all later. Happy Father's Day.